Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on marking messages as unread on iMessage on iOS 16. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you often read messages, don't reply right away and then forget all about them. Marking messages as unread can help you to remember to reply. Note that when you mark a message as unread, it will only show as unread for you. The other person can still see that you have read it if they have read receipts turned on. Open the Messages app and swipe from left to right on the chat thread that you would like to mark as unread. Tap on the Message button. There will now be a blue dot to the left of the message thread to show that it is unread. If you leave the Message app, you will see that there is a 1 on the app icon to show that you have an unread message. Another way to mark a message as unread is to hold down on the chat thread and then choose Mark as Unread from the options. If the message is in a pinned chat thread, then when you mark it as unread by holding down on it and tapping Mark as Unread, you will also see a preview of the message. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.